Congratulations. You just made your first $50. Now what? What do you do next? This is one of the biggest decisions an entrepreneur will ever make. And most people get it wrong. They either spend it all and their business never grows, or save all of it and miss opportunities to expand. Today, I'm going to show you the winning formula. It's called the 50-30-20 split, or for entrepreneurs, reinvest, save, spend. Let's break it down. 50% goes to reinvest. This is money for your business. You can use it to buy better supplies, get more inventory, upgrade your stand, or run a small promotion. This is the jar that makes your business grow bigger. 30% goes to save. This is your safety net and your future fund. If something breaks, save covers it. If you want to launch something bigger later, save makes it possible. 20% goes to spend. This is your money. Enjoy it. Go get the tacos, buy the game, because working hard with no reward is how people quit. Let's go back to your $50. Here's how it breaks down. $25 to reinvest, $15 to save, and $10 to spend. Every time money comes in, you split it automatically. Here's why this works. Businesses that only spend die. Businesses that only save shrink. But businesses that reinvest grow. This system keeps you growing, rewarded, and protected, all at the same time. Here's your mission. Grab 3 containers. They can be jars, envelopes, or bags. Label them, reinvest, save, and spend. Next time money comes in, split it immediately. Do this for 30 days and watch what happens. Money habits you build now stay with you for life. You got this.